It's worth us considering the implications of that change of focus and really change of goal. And this is, of course, in our book Breakthrough, when we write about the shift from the death of environmentalism to the politics of possibility. This is actually exactly what we're writing about. And we don't think Gore did it because we said it was a good idea. We've actually always argued from our very first writing on this subject that this shift was actually inevitable, that it was an inevitable implication of the way that the sort of climate and energy crisis that we're faced with is actually profoundly different than past environmental and ecological problems, which were really pollution problems that were solved through various kinds of sort of pollution regulations and efforts to eliminate pollution. Here, we have to replace and remake the entire global energy infrastructure very, very quickly. It's a completely different kind of challenge. It requires a completely different kind of solutions. And if you looked at that shift that Gore makes in July, and it's important to note that these things are never clean. It's never Gore goes from the old way of thinking overnight to a new way of thinking, but it is reflective and a step along the path to this very, very different approach to how we're going to kind of deal with these problems and how we're not only going to deal with them, but if we do it right, see tremendous social and economic benefits that extend well beyond avoiding the end of the world.